Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use your Apple Watch to lock your iPhone. First, make sure your Apple Watch is properly paired with your iPhone. It's crucial that both devices are running up-to-date software for seamless functionality. You'll also need to enable a specific setting on your iPhone, which we'll cover in detail. This feature offers a convenient way to manage your iPhone's security, especially when Face ID might be obstructed. To enable this handy feature, begin by opening the Settings application on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Face ID and passcode. You will then be prompted to enter your iPhone's 6-digit passcode for security verification. Once inside, locate the Unlock with Apple Watch option and simply toggle it to the on position. This simple step links your devices for enhanced convenience. Once enabled, your iPhone will automatically unlock whenever you're wearing your unlocked Apple Watch on your wrist and it's in close proximity. This is particularly useful when Face ID might struggle, such as when you're wearing a face mask or sunglasses. You'll receive a subtle haptic confirmation on your watch, letting you know your iPhone has been successfully unlocked, making daily interactions much smoother. Remember, for this feature to work, your Apple Watch needs to be within a close range of your iPhone, typically within a few feet. It's important to understand that this doesn't bypass your iPhone's primary passcode. It simply offers a quicker unlock method under specific conditions. You always retain the ability to manually lock your iPhone. This system provides a balance of convenience and robust security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.